truth will be returned to your awareness by your desire, as it was lost by your desire for something else. In heaven, desire is just, you might say, just the song of prayer. It's just a song of happiness and gratitude. God knows the prayer of your heart before you even utter a single word. Heaven is just a continuous song of gratitude, of thanks from creation and creator. It's just a dance. It goes on forever and ever and ever and ever. And all of us are here together because we want to aid and assist each other. It's like a choir. We want to learn to sing that song of gratitude and sing it every day.